Welcome to Citadel Watch. We present to your attention wristwatches that you can buy from us. Introducing the Corum Bubble Automatic Men's Watch, a stylish and elegant accessory that combines the prestige of Swiss watchmaking with modern design. The watch has been previously used, but its condition is close to new, with no visible damage. The dial is in perfect condition, and the movement functions accurately and flawlessly. The 45mm stainless steel case gives the watch a solid and reliable appearance. One of the standout features of this model is the domed sapphire crystal, which creates a magnifying effect on the dial, adding a unique touch and making it stand out from other timepieces. The watch comes with a classic black leather strap that complements the overall design. The Corum Bubble Automatic is powered by an automatic movement with a self-winding mechanism, ensuring long-lasting and reliable performance. It offers standard functions, including hours, minutes, seconds, and date, as well as splash resistance, making it practical for everyday wear. This watch is the perfect choice for those who appreciate exclusive design solutions and Swiss quality in a single accessory. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel so you won't miss any new videos. Have a nice day and happy shopping! Best wishes, your Citadel Watch.